Lord Robbin's definition of economics. In his landmark essay on the nature of economics, Lionel Robbins defined economics as the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Robbins, 1935.
Robbins' definition is highly general and is not restricted to exchanges such as barter or market transactions.
Criticism of Robbins' definition. Robbins' definition could be criticized in a way that it is not practically applicable, it provides only a theoretical view. Unnecessary enlargement of the scope of economics. Robbins's definition has unnecessarily widened the scope of economics.
According to Robbins, any activity of choosing, whether it is economic or not, comes under the scope of economics.
But critics are of the opinion that uneconomic activities should not be included in economics. Neutrality of ends.
In Robbins' view, it is the duty of the economist to explore and explain and riot to support or criticize.
Thus, economics is neutral between ends and the economist is not concerned with what is right and what is wrong. Based on theoretical view. In Robbins' view, there is no place for humanity and human welfare, and his definition lacks practicality.
Such economics which cannot be applied in practical life, it does not retain any utility.
Applicable only on a few countries. Robbins' definition is applicable in only those countries where barter exchange system is prevalent. Unrealistic assumption.
Robbins believes that each individual does only that activities from which he derives maximum satisfaction. But in practical life, an individual does not always compare the satisfaction he derives from different activities, but usually he acts without thinking so much.
Thus, this assumption of Robbins is unrealistic. Fixed economic laws.
According to Robbins' definition, economic laws are as certain, fixed, stable, and true as the rules of natural sciences. In this context, we must not forget that human behavior keeps changing with time and economic laws are concerned with humans only. Robbins' definition of economics transformed the subject from a normative social science into a positive science with an undue emphasis on individual choice. Robbins' definition prevented it from analyzing macroeconomic concepts such as national income and aggregate supply and demand. Instead, economics was merely used to analyze the action of individuals, using stylized mathematical models.